Welcome to the Roth Living Kitchen. We are the BariGirls. I'm Kylie.
And I'm Linda, and today we're making it count with our oven-baked Parmesan Artichoke Hearts.
If you are on the hunt for a perfect, crispy, crunchy dish that makes for a wonderful snack, appetizer for any time of the day, look no further. Artichokes is on its way.
And artichokes are packed with antioxidants, and they're a great source of fiber, vitamin C, K, and potassium.
Plus, they're low in calories and fat, making them an excellent choice for anyone looking for a nice, healthy snack.
On top of that, canned artichokes are incredibly inexpensive,
Yes.
making this a budget-friendly snack.
Yes, Mom, it really is. This is as simple as draining your artichokes and drying them.
That's right. So it's simply dredging them in an egg mixture, then a breadcrumb mixture, and baking at 425 for about 20 minutes.
Serve with marinara dipping sauce or your favorite sauce. Just have fun with it and get ready to enjoy.
There you have it, more healthy recipes from the BariGirls. Don't forget to leave a like and follow us for more healthy, flavorful recipes.
And when you try these at home, leave us a comment and let us know how you
Make it count.
The BariGirls are brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.